What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix a Galaxy S25 Ultra that can't send MMS. So to fix this issue, first of all check your signal strength. So for that, look at your status bar, and from here you can check if you are getting a good signal strength or not. So if your signals are weak, then you will not be able to send MMS. So make sure you are getting good signals. But after getting good signals, if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is open settings, tap on connections, and then tap on SIM manager. Now from here, check if the SIM is enabled or not. So if this button is turned off, then turn it back on, and after that go back to your home screen. And after doing this, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is reset network settings. So for that, open settings, scroll down and click on general management, and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here click on reset all settings. So tap on reset mobile network settings, and then again click on reset settings to confirm. So when you will click on reset settings option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after doing this, the mobile will start sending MMS. So that's how you can fix the mobile that can't send MMS. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.